Okay, hello guys. This is another episode of the EV3 coding tutorial. So today we're basically gonna do some basic color sorter coding. But if you haven't built it the color, so you should have built in it. But if it's not like for me. It's like a bit hard code. But yeah. So let's get started. So first, we need to just make a few things, note about a few things. The color store has an order. I'll just show you in an icon. It had for the first cup, on the one, the button, it should the red button on the left side. That's that's blue. Oh, wait, that's blue. And the next is green, red, and yellow. So that's the order: blue, green, let's first, under the when program starts, we're gonna get a forever loop, and then we're gonna go to my blocks and make a block and color reset. And then put the reset block in here. And then under the reset, we're gonna do all the resettings and stuff. So set blue. Oh, we need to make a new variable too. So we're gonna make 4 variables: blue, green, yellow, and red. So after you made this, set blue to 2. It's just like a value sort of. You can try switching it to something else, and then set green to 3. Then set yellow to 4, and then set red to 5. Okay, maybe my order's wrong. You can look at this order. First is blue. It's basically this: blue, green, yellow, red. It's not blue, green, red, yellow. I think I did it. Yeah, I did it wrong. I told you guys wrong. So it's like this. And then, so that's how you place the cup order. Not the cup, if you want just the 4 cups. So it's sort of like this. So now, first we're going to go to the motor, and then we're going to get the A set speed to 8. And then we're going to do A run counterclockwise, I suppose, for 2 seconds. Clockwise. And then sets A set speed to 30. And then A run counterclockwise, 180 degrees. And then D set speed to 50. And then D start motor counterclockwise. So now this is the setup code. And then we're gonna go to sensors and then wait until until pressed. So this one until pressed, you see that red button, you should have coded it right, by the pictures. The line should be exactly the same as the menus. So the red button, the machine, on a rail, the robot, the sorter, the moving part, it will continue move left. So here, that's the D start motor. D is the converter belt. So that's the motor. So, and it starts counterclockwise. So that means it's move left. And then it sets speed to 50. So you can set it to any. You can set it to a slower value if you don't because it's too. You might need it. If you don't you want to see everything clearly, you can tone the speed down. And then on top of here, just a few other setups. When you start, you should hear the A motor sound. So you should know what it does. So it will keep moving left, like it never says like a start motor, like a run clock counterclockwise or anything. It's like it keeps going left, and it keeps going until the one, like the red button is pressed. But you can like try doing it like this way if you like to. Well, I don't recommend. So after you've done the code, we need to go to motors and put a deset motor to float at stop. Like it basically means this, like when it stops, it won't just like stop like a sharp stop. It will like actually glide for like a bit. You might like see it clear, like but you probably can't see the effect because when it will just like keep very close to the button, so it's not gonna slide anymore. So yeah, and then de-stop motor. So it's gonna stop the D motor from every movement, and then wait 1 second. It depends like how much seconds you want to wait before the machine like starts scanning. But yeah, and then we're gonna go to motors and then put A reset degrees counted and clear, and go to display and put clear displays, because there's gonna be a few displays. I'm gonna talk about it later. So, and then we're gonna go to variables and make a like the list, like first time in the EV3 coding tutorial. All code. So it's called QUI. And then delete all of QUI, and then set. Yeah, so we're gonna make a new variable called stop scanning. And then set stop scanning to false. You can use other values like a no if you feel like, but I'm just gonna do a false. And then after that, go back to when program starts, and then now we're gonna do the second custom block, and that is the scan custom block, like that. And then and put the scanning here, and then we're gonna start coding the scan block. So this block is gonna be all about the scanning part, so as you see the name. So this is gonna just keep until. So now go to like controls, and then get out a repeat until, and then repeat until. See here, length of QUI is equals to 8. So that means, see, like, why is it equal to 8, not 9, 10, 4? Because like it will like the scan will like there's a maximum of 8 blocks, right? You should only have max, unless you have like more than one EV3 robot boxes, or like the thing. So you can change that to like 16 if you have 2 sets of EV3. But 8 is a regular one. And then so now we're gonna so when it comes like equals to 8, it's gonna just do the things here. So this is gonna keep scanning until it equals to 8. So if you're trying to test the robot how smart it is, scanning something 2 times, that's not gonna be what you think. It will until 8, after that second, it will start just it will sort automatically without you pressing any buttons when it gets to 8. But 1 to 7 is no. It will just you have to press it yourself. So now we're gonna go to display and display information, right? So this information is gonna be just like a right arrow pointing towards it, because it should point towards the sensor, unless some sort of others, if you put to use something else, you can do, but I recommend doing this because it's basically information about the robot, what it uses, an instruction. And then right it's a right, like this longer right. Right, go to operators and join hash space equals. And then put lymphoquete on the right. And then put one large black. And then make a new variable called color detected. And then set color detected to false because you haven't detected any colors yet. Then we're gonna get another repeat until color detected equals true. So this is gonna for now. Right, like later, like on the other blocks, like it's gonna just scan like the real scanning part, but not now, I think. So first, just this right block, I think I didn't explain it. So it does write, it writes hash and space equal. Like in the middle is is how much, like hash equals, and then it joins. Join is like a sort of combining two things. Like if you like in Scratch, it's the same, basically same thing. But so join is like if you want to do you can also do this. Like for example, I like bananas. You can do that, but it's just gonna say I like banana. But you should have a space after like or before the bananas. So now here, but this is actually used on a variable, So first, see the red is like for example, you set like one part of your game in Scratch or your project in EV3 or Mindstorm, you set green to 2. While other part, there's a green value of 4, suppose 5. You put the green in here. If you press the 2 one, you just press it for now. It's gonna I like 2, for example. And if you press now 5 for the join, I like green, it's gonna say I like 5. It's just gonna change it automatically. So it's basically it's not just gonna do join length of if else, tons of if else's. And then I want 1.6 on the robot screen. So I think we're finished. And then repeat until color detected. And then we're gonna make a new variable called color. Set color to go to sensing and then get 3, like the 3 same color. Your sensor should connect to 3 unless you change it. It's gonna just set it to, basically you don't need to mind about that 3 for now. Just see the scanning of the colors, basically the value, like if it's red, yellow, whatever. And then we're gonna get an if block. So we're gonna actually get 3 ORs for 4 colors because And after you got it, we need to get an equal first, unless you want to for 4 equals again, but I recommend not. And then color inside. And then duplicate that 4 times since we need 4 colors. And one is blue, green, red, and yellow. So you don't need to put it in this order. You can put it any order because it's not going to mind the code. But I like it in the order, so yeah. And now we're going to play sound so that it has an effect. So play sound E4 and then for 0.1 seconds. It's not going to work right now since, I'm going to try it. Okay, it's not like Scratch, it will play sound. And then so we're going to actually go to the variables and add color to green. and then go to sensing and wait until wait until color 3, wait until color is no color, since we can't, like, if you, like, for example, you put the thing on it, and you might put it for a bit long, like, or like even 1 second, it was select like millions of times, like for at least tens of times, like hundreds, because like it will just keep playing D, and it's not gonna stop. So it's gonna wait until no color, then like continue doing the things that it's supposed to do. And then display, and then we're gonna display information backward. Like that. And then wait 2 seconds. So like it will just wait 2 seconds until the next thing starts. And then set color detected to true. Like that. So just one more thing I forgot. It's an if, so we're just gonna put it like two, just like it's still gonna repeat until the color detected equals true, but it's outside the if. Color equals the 4 color equals color. So and then we're gonna do if stop scanning equals true. And then stop this stack. Stop this stack and scratch to stop this script, but yeah, I think it's just a bit different. So lastly, we're gonna do the sort block. So go up and then make a sort block and put it under the when program starts, and that's the last block. So this sort block is gonna actually start sorting because we have scanned it here, but we never sorted it. It's just gonna stay there until like you close the system and dump out the blocks. So we're gonna play a sound, and it's basically any sound you want, but probably we should just do like go to system and then find ready, and then I'm gonna display Lego EV3. Just gonna display the logo, and then set number to 1. I guess a new variable is here. So after that, we're gonna get a repeat until. Not repeat until. And I'm gonna get limp for queen and put it in here. And then wait 1 second. And then start motor counterclockwise. And then wait until. So then we're gonna wait until pressed. So I think this is another like the D-star motor counterclockwise thing, but yeah, you can try removing it and see what happens. And then set motor to float at stop. Set motor to float at stop actually. And then stop motor. And then set color to item number of key. So numbers are like, yeah, we just made. And then set motor to hold position and stop at stop. And then if. And if you can just duplicate from here. If color equals blue, we're just gonna go to sound and play sound. color blue until done. And then D run clockwise for 10 degrees. D run clockwise. So you might think, okay, why is like doing 10 degrees, not 11 or 13 or 100? Because the main thing is like basically this is not really like good enough. Like it's very good. It's very good, but I mean it's not the smartest. It has like a track I told you before. First the blue, then green, then red and yellow. So it has like it uses the same pattern, not the like the order. It never like changes to like yellow, red, blue, green. It never changes to that thing. It will only change to the same thing. So you can try to change that to 100 degrees, but I'm not gonna do it. So after you duplicate it, you do color equals green here, and then play color green, and then D run clockwise for 132 degrees. And then we're gonna duplicate these two, and next if color equals red, yellow, and then red. So under the yellow one, we're gonna play like this yellow and then red here. And then next is we're gonna do 360 degrees, and then 530 degrees for this one. You can try changing the cups or like changing the colors for each, but yeah, so that's an after video thing you should try. And then now we're gonna A run clockwise for 90 degrees outside all, like in the if. Repeat lymphoquy. And then A run counterclockwise for 90 degrees. Degrees. And then change number by 1. So we're done all the code. One thing to just make sure is try not to put your finger on it, because the scanner will actually like depending on what color your skin, it will actually like if you're just like if your hand is like me or like a bit red, it might be it will actually like a sort of like a red or orange. It will actually like scan your finger red, unless you want to do an easy one like for the 2 red square the squares, because you can just like scan your finger 2 times on the scanner and put the 2 red in there. So yeah, so that's a thing you should watch out for. So I think we're gonna just end it for today. Hope you like it, and remember just to try out changing the numbers, the variables, and also just like make it twitch to try out. Bye, see you next time.